The controversial opposition figure, Sengizo Shabangu, has sparked outrage after publicly endorsing President Emmerson Mnangagwa as a potential term extension to 2030, a move critics say effectively gives Mnangagwa a green light to consolidate power indefinitely. Sarabina Mashko Branch Pachinsi Chabangu gives Mnangagwa a green light to rule forever. Do subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibila Mzimba Mubranyu Mchinzi. Speaking recently, Chabangu declared if extending President Mnangagwa stay in power until 2030 would make the people of Zimbabwe happy, then let it be. He also addressed legal questions surrounding the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, stating, I wish to share my understanding and interpretation of the law in relation to the proposed bill. I think people do not understand that the proponents of the bill are not avoiding a referendum. Rather, the Constitution does not require one of the proposed amendments. So, I submit. Observers have criticized Shabangu's endorsement, suggesting he is acting as a proxy for ZANU-PF in supporting the controversial amendment, undermining opposition credibility, the raising concerns about Zimbabwe's democratic future. Though developments aripo muri Zimbabwe, Chabangu achuya achanskupa tukamiro nyika Emmerson Mnangagwa 2030 on a silver platter, nema amendments on a silver platter achiti itai kana chingofadza vanhu ngazviitwe. But he is a main opposition leader, so why is he not opposing the ruling? Achiita zvido zvirikudwa nevanhu zvinonyatsobuda pachena kuti panguva ino people they are not in a good shape, havasi comfortable with these amendments. Pena comment section medu dzafungiro aim out kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, musamwa subscribe or like, wanchira on the bell icon.